Hello there, this is a video for WordPress users who are trying to get around the WordPress for hash pages. So as you can see in this case, what I'm gonna do is currently when I hover around our services page, it means I have a page around here. So you can see a service page here. Okay. So if you hover around here at the bottom right, you can see my domain name / our services, and we have some child items, that is service 1 and service 2. So instead of sometime you want to create a page without a non-existing page here. So what we're going to do right now is let's go to menu. First of all, go to menu. Now what we're gonna do here is delete this our service page. As you can see here, there is a page title written here. Go to custom URL link, click on hash and type our services, add to the menu. So as you can see here, our service with the title called page, and here is our service with a title called custom link. In custom link, I'm not using any like domain name / our services. I'm just using a hash, which is a blank. So let me scroll this at the very top. Make sure all these pages that are listed under the services are also listed here. So you just need to drag and drop. So delete this our service called page and hit save. Okay, so your structure might look something like this. Our service, custom URL, custom link. So if you go to here, let me reload this page. So when I hover around, you will still get that hand icon when I hover on our services, but it doesn't make sense right now because if I click here, you'll just get a hash. Okay, so in order to make this unclickable, like people just hover around and get the sub items from these services, like as you can see this hand icon right now if you see my mouse. So in order to do that, what we're gonna do is we'll be modifying our theme.php is function.php. So go to the backend, go to appearance. Under the appearance there is theme editor, click on this. Go to theme function.php. Make sure you are on the child theme or parent theme. Currently if you make the theme function edit on parent theme, whenever there is an update of the theme, you will lose all your settings. So always be careful when you are making these edits. So make sure every edits like CSS, custom CSS, JavaScript or any theme edit or any header edit need to be on the child theme of that theme. So currently you can see I am on the child theme. Let me click on theme function.php. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will add a piece of code at this theme function.php. So what I'm going to do right now is let me grab some code here. I will provide this code is on the description. So let me paste this code and hit update file. So what this this extra code works will be is whenever there is a hash which was showing you like the hand icon here will be removed and unclickable, so it will make sense. So let me reload this page. Okay, now if you see here, I'm not getting the hand icon here like I was getting on the home when I hover around services. So I hope that clear your confusion, and if you like my content, please hit subscribe button. Thank you.